Hey guys, it's Diana with Kevin's Carpets. I just wanted to come to you real quick to talk about a question I get asked a lot. Why does my hardwood and my laminate have a streaky, milky film on top of it? And why does it seem like it's impossible to get it off? The more I clean it, it just gets worse. Well, that's because your hardwood and your laminate is not like a pre-finished wood in the house. It has a aluminum oxide wear layer on it that is kind of like a sheet of glass. So when you clean it, stuff does not absorb in. So what you have to do is you have to find the right product to clean it with. So for example, when you clean your furniture, use furniture polish. That furniture polish absorbs and conditions the wood. The new laminates and the new woods have a different wear layer on them to protect them. That it's like a sheet of glass, like I said, it will not absorb in. So what you have to do is you have to get the right product to clean your floor. We have been using Shaw's R2X cleaning kit system for probably 15 years now. We give it out with our customers when they buy a floor, and everybody who uses it brags about it, raves about how great it is. So if you're having problems with your laminate or your hardwood and you've got a buildup or a film on it, stop in, pick up one of these kits, use it on your floor. After a while, you'll see that buildup get removed. And then keep using it to help maintain and keep your floor looking great. Thanks. Have a great day.